Hey everybody, welcome back to the wood yard. We have sun. First time in 3 weeks. It has been wet, nasty, snowing, raining, wind blowing, just disgusting weather, but you know, at zero or almost. Finally sun's out. It's the first time it's peeked its head out in probably, like I said, 3 weeks. So anyways, what I wanted to cover today, we're in the wood yard. I had a company reach out to me. I have several reach out to me and I turn a lot of them down. A lot of them's really stupid stuff. But this one wanted to send me a moisture meter. And I was real interested because I'm going to do firewood bundles. And I'd like to test for moisture as you go, you know, and test them and bundle them so you know they're dry. And I said, absolutely, send it to me as long as I can give an honest review. So they did. Said, go for it. So today, I got something. We'll see what we got in here. And there was one reason I was really interested in this. And strangely enough, I ordered one before this one come in. It's been sitting in there for 2 months, a top test. This is a different company. This is from Tesmen. Nice small little meter. And so far, okay. But what I really liked about this meter is it's mighty convenient. If we can, let me get it where I can see. But see, hopefully the sun's not too blinding, but it's a pocket one. And it comes with batteries, actual name brand, good Duracells, no Chinesium. Instruction manual. Let me get my knife again. Oh, never mind, I got it open. But, save that manual. But, I was very nice, very small. So, got a little screen deal we gotta take off, but real nice. And it fits. What I liked, if you're doing it right there by your bundles, you can put that right in your shirt pocket. Nice, very nice. Alright, so, I do have to put the batteries in. I don't know how hard that will be. Oh, looky here, just unscrews. You're ready to go. Let me pop these in real quick. We'll just give her a test. I have not read anything. I don't know anything about it. So, I'm assuming, yep, directions on the back, how to put it in. Just drop them in. They fall right in. If I'm getting all that on camera. Nice, simple, easy. It's got a little O-ring for being waterproof. And I like the cap comes off. Like I said, it's very nice. On, let's see what we can do here. There it is. Low percent humidity, all that. I like that little cap too. And I think all these, if you get the prong style, you can look, I think about any brand you can get in there, different pins for these. So at rando, let's see, let's just grab one. I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't read anything. Let's just see. We'll push it in. M for moisture, I'm guessing. And showing around 12, 13. And I took it off. See if it does this. Okay. Turn it back on. This is the first one I've ever owned too. So, let's see if I can get it on the camera for you. Hold M. I had it going a while ago. There we go. This was a dead tree when I cut it. 11.8%. So hopefully you can see that. I need to pay better attention, don't I? Roundabout. Kind of moving, kind of flexing. So let's try another one. See what we get. Oh, how about one? How about a nice wet one right here, right off the ground? This will be another test. That one was off the top. Let's get a wet one. It's so wet it's got water on it. I'll shove it in there. Yeah, that one works. 27.8%. It was just a little old scrap piece of wood off the ground. Goes in. I didn't even have to push nothing. That's automatic. So that's neat. And I'm sure there's some more gadgets and gizmos on that. One more time, just out of curiosity, since I'm figuring this out. Apparently it's automatic. You can just push it in. I did it. Yep. Now that's neat. I like that. 15.9. Awesome. I thought the H was hold, but I don't know. It is hold. So you can hit that. That tells you what you're at. 15.5. That's probably backwards on the camera, but hit it again real quick. I like it. Let's try it again here. Shove it in there good. Let it get up there. About 15%. So these are good. And I know they've had snow and stuff, but it's dried out. And this was a dead tree. So I mean but you can see it worked because, let's grab another one here. That one's not as wet. Let's grab something real wet here. And here's another one. It's not as bad. But I mean, you can tell it's working because it's varying. Here's another one that's not quite so bad. It's a little bit higher, about 16. Get on the wet side here, see what it says. Oh yeah, 27% right there when it's in the water. On the wet side, it's been in the ground. See the water. So, that's a pretty nice little meter. Hold it, go back off. And like I said, I haven't read the manual. I'm sure there's probably some different settings, but you can test the moisture, hit that once. It shows you. You can hit hold. It's nice. It's got removable pins if they go bad on you. We have a cap. And like I said, it's nice, it's small. It's literally a pin. So, I like that. You got it right there the whole time you're bundling, you know, you can want to check one periodically. Pull that out, pop that in. That's nice. That's real nice. And these are actually pretty cheap. I will have a link below. They sent me one. I've been having trouble getting links made, even with Bitly and some other stuff I've tried, but they sent me one, so I'll put a link below where this is on Amazon. This was like $15. I don't think you're going to beat that. And you even get some good batteries, Duracell, no Chinesium, no name brands. And it looks well built. And I mean, it's 15 bucks. You can't even go through the drive-thru for that anymore. So what do you got to lose? And I'd say it's waterproof because it's got rubber seals on it. It looks like it's a waterproof rating. I don't know. Does it got anything on the box? Da-da-da. Let's see. Here's some data hold, pen type, 3-color backlight. So I'm guessing kind of like might have different colors for different moistures. Low battery indication. That'd be nice. Yeah, they got a blue one too I looked at on there that's actually, I think it's like $1 cheaper. So, might be something for you to look into. It don't say it's waterproof, but I'm betting it is by the way it's built. So, I like it. It looks well built. And yeah, so I'll leave a link, but if in case something goes wrong with it or whatever, it's a Tesmen moisture meter right there. So hopefully we kind of shadow it, let you see it a little bit better. And that's going to be real handy. And like I said, you're cutting wood and going back and forth, whatever, instead of a big bulky one, you know, you can just stick that right there in your pocket, go on. So I like it. So time will tell. I might do a review video of it, and then when I get the other one going, we might put them side by side and do a comparison between it and that top test. I know a lot of people run it, and I picked it up. I think it was 20 bucks, but I like the convenience of this goes in my shirt pocket and I don't put it down, forget where I put it, or have to go back and get it because I left it laying down. So that's nice. And like I said, I'm pretty sure this was 15 bucks when I looked at their link. It took me to it on Amazon. And I will leave one below. so you can get you one. So far I like it. Time will tell, but it looks well built. So yeah, we'll put this to use on the channel out here in the wood yard. So I guess that's it for the video. Link below for this. And I guess that's it. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. You'll get to see more stuff in the wood yard, doing stuff. We're getting ready to run the processor, and I've got some chainsaw stuff coming up, some chainsaw videos, and I got a new attachment for the Mini X too that we're going to run for a log grapple. A little experiment. So stay tuned for all that out here. So I guess that's it for the video. So as always, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.